Here's everything you need for this project. You'll need a little bit of glue. I'm using fabric glue because I just have it around, but any glue will do just fine. A ruler, a couple of sheets of paper, pencil. I'm going to be using my Loom, but any loom will do fine. If you have a book loom or if you've made a cardboard loom, frame loom, any loom will work for this project. Cutting shears for the fabric, a fork for beading if you wish. You don't really need the fork. I have my little tiny embroidery scissors because I just got them and I think they're cute. And I'm going to be using a sewing needle, and I'm going to be using 2 tapestry needles. If you only have one, that's fine. Buttons, sewing thread, and this embroidery floss is going to be used for the weft. I think you should get at least a couple little skeins of it. It's better to have too much than too little. Then this is my accent embroidery thread. You need just a tiny bit of that. 2 pretty straws for hanging. We'll be cutting them down to shape later on. And just a tiny bit of tape with my doggy tape. I think we're ready to go, so let's get started. If you'd like to learn more about weaving, subscribe to my channel. And be sure to check out my website, The Creativity Patch. There's lots more things to learn there, and I've got some really fun weaving kits. See you there, and happy weaving!